everyone! Welcome to my D1 Random Project playlist. I am so excited to share with you my latest creation. It's a mascot. Another mascot? Yup! Another mascot. Why always mascot? Well, I just can't let this opportunity pass by, you know. You just have to say yes and grab it. Also, it's another way to earn clean and honest living. Okay, going back. So this project is designed specifically for our local university. They have actually different departments, and every department, they have their own mascot. And this time, the mascot of this particular department is going to be a dolphin. Crafted with care and precision, the head of the dolphin is made out of E.V.A foam, which provides a lightweight but sturdy structure that will see the mascot through hours of performances and photo opportunities. Meanwhile, the bodysuit and the feet upholstery is made by my good friend Joan Almozara. The body of the dolphin is specially designed with a unique fabric that ensures maximum flexibility and durability, allowing the creature to come to life in a way that will thrill and inspire the crowds. As a proud supporter of our local university and a passionate advocate for creative expression, I am honored to have this opportunity to share my craft with all of you. Whether you are a student, a faculty member, or simply a fan of imaginative design, I hope that my work will inspire you and sparks your own creativity. For those who are still new to this channel, hi, I am Aries Arriesgado, and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's dive in and I'll show you the process behind the creation of the dolphin mascot. Okay, so what we have here is a Pepakura file. It's a dolphin head mascot. So my unfolder, okay, the unfolder of this Pepakura is my good friend Julian Tactic Vargas. So the reason why I am using Pepakura file right now, because I am now actually making two mascots for our students here in our local university for their intramurals. If you watched some of my old videos before, some of the mascots I made, those are freehand, and I don't have time to do freehand. That is why I am now using Pepakura, unfolded by Julian Tactic Vargas. So these are the patterns, and when you fold them back together, it will turn out like this. Check everything if it's perfect, if it's complete, highlight everything, and then boom, that's it. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the process in printing and cutting and then transferring it to foam, because I already did those process in my old videos. So if you want to check how did I do it, just check my old mascot making videos. But anyway, just to give you a short explanation, you print this and then you cut it like this. It's printed already like that. It's printed, and then you cut it and then you transfer it into a foam, just like this. Already transferred into foam. See this one here? Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to unfold everything. I'm going to assemble the head of the dolphin, and then I'm going to show you the finished folded head of this dolphin head mascot. Okay, be back. Okay guys, we have here the finished or the folded mascot head for the dolphin mascot head. Okay, so I already heat up some parts to shape, especially the cheek area, and of course, the neck area. I actually encountered some minor problems when during the process in building the head. If you look at the Pepakura file, the neck area of the dolphin is so wide and bulgy. The problem here is that when you're going to wear the head, it is so wide, it actually covers all the both shoulders of the person who will wear the mascot. So you cannot actually raise your hands, or you cannot actually properly move when you wear it like that. So what I did here is I just pressed this both sides here, and then I added some I strengthened the structure from the inside. I added some support and then hit the entire side of the head, so it is actually better this way. Of course, I added some space for your shoulders, and then also the back area of the head, it is so bulgy and so wide. So what I did here is I removed some parts of the foam. So you have to be very careful in doing this procedure because you're going to change the structure of the unfolded file. And because it's just an easy adjustments, this is how it looks now. So I added some additional flaps here and also strengthening the back area, because this is where I'm going to put this is where the dorsal fin is located. And I added some blowhole here. It will serve also as a ventilation for the person who will wear this mascot. Next, I'm going to add some more details like the teeth of the dolphin. It's located here and upper here. These are the teeth of the dolphin. So now I'm going to show you the test fit of the dolphin head mascot. Okay, so this is the finished assembly of the dolphin head mascot. So what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to seal the foam by using an acrylic emulsion before painting. In case you might be asking what is this white stuff here, this is an acrylic, it's a silicone acrylic sealant. It's a silicone acrylic sealant. This is paintable, so I use this whenever I want to smoothen some of the imperfections of the foam. Then now I'm going to seal it by using an acrylic emulsion. Okay guys, now I got the shoes from Joe. So sad to say, he did not finish the shoes yet. But still, I got the suit from Joe. So I'm going to test fit wearing this suit plus the Dolphin Mascot head.